Hey, I'm Callie Lewis. You're watching Geek Brief TV. This is Brief 458. You know, I live just down the road and around a corner from Texas Instruments, and today was the first time we thought about calling up the PR team to see if we could stop by for a visit. TI developed some of the tech that resulted in Optimus Pico projector, which today has a price and a ship date. The price will be $430, and they'll start shipping in a couple weeks. Resolution is 480 by 320, and the projection parameters are between 8 inches at a minimum and 8.5 feet max. It runs on battery power. A charge lasts about 90 minutes, and it can be recharged via USB or an AC adapter. David Pogue tried it and loves it. I like the idea because it means more folks will be sharing video. I want to save this story for last, but I just can't. I have massive bacon news from the creators of Bacon Salt. One word. Baconaise. You've got your bacon, you've got your mayonnaise, put them together in one jar, and that's sandwich heaven. It was just announced, I guess, and I have yet to try it, but I'm hoping that my local grocery store that sells Bacon Salt will also sell Baconaise, because I've got some homegrown tomatoes grown by geek briefer Dave Peterson, and they'll achieve primo ripeness on Wednesday. Bacon. Someone once asked for a vegetarian version of Geek Brief, but even he can enjoy this. Baconaise is vegetarian safe. Don't ask me how. When Apple paved the way for gaming apps on the iPhone and iPod Touch, this accessory became inevitable. It comes to us from Marware, and it's called the Game Grip. There isn't much I have to explain about it. The handles are made of silicone, and inside the handles are channels for cable management. It'll hold a USB charging cable and earbuds. They're currently sold out, but this is one I'd like to get for my nephew Loki. On our October trip, we carried along a Zoom H2 flash audio recorder from Samson. It's probably the best audio we've ever recorded for the price. You can record 2-channel stereo audio or 4-channel surround sound. Here's a short audio sample recorded as we were driving.
There's a billboard that says Baldwin for President '08. Is that Alec Baldwin?
I don't know. Maybe we should vote for him.
No, we shouldn't.
Oh, it's Alec Baldwin, sorry. I wasn't thinking.
That would be a vote against keeping him on 30 Rock, and I want to keep him on 30 Rock.
Yes, definitely. Alec Baldwin for 30 Rock.
He's already on 30 Rock.
Oh, well, I got nothing.
Audio is recorded to SD cards, and the recorder mounts to a Mac or PC as a card reader. Someone asked while we were on the trip what settings we used. We set the gain to high and found that we got the best sound with fewer popped P's when we used the windscreen. We also used the free audio processing application called Levelator. Levelator does the work of an audio engineer to balance conversational levels. There's a link to download Levelator in the show notes for Brief 458 at www.geekbrief.tv. I'm keeping it short tonight so we can watch election coverage. This episode is brought to you by the HP Media Smart Server. I'm in the process of copying over our iTunes library to the Media Smart. It has an iTunes server built in for sharing your music collection with all the Macs and PCs on your home network. You can find out more about the Media Smart Server at hp.com/united-states/campaigns/mediasmart-server. Thanks for watching, and hey, thanks for voting for Geek Brief in the Best Video Podcast category at podcastawards.com if you have the time and the inclination to do so. I'm Callie Lewis. Bye. Super Sweeper. I have no idea what song I'm singing. Super Swiffer. Super Swift. Huh?
We just made a music video.
I did? Oh, fun. Yeah, that's a good one. It's going to be a hit.